Traffic signs are the language of the road. Every driver must understand. Let's explore the complete list of road signs together in this video. Let's start. Snow chain required. You must use snow chains on your tires. Side road. Another road joins the main road. Dead end street. The road has no exit. You cannot go further. One-way traffic. Traffic moves in only one direction. Steep ascent. Steep uphill slope ahead. Prepare to adjust speed and gear. End of priority road. You have the right of way on this road. Give way to oncoming traffic. Let vehicles coming from the opposite direction go first. Low-flying aircraft. Planes may fly low in this area. Length limit. Vehicles longer than the specified limit are not allowed on this road. Parking lot. A place where you can park your vehicle. Hospital. A hospital is nearby. Restaurant. A place to eat food is nearby. Lane shift. Lanes move slightly to the left or right. Follow the new path. Road closed. The road is blocked. No entry for vehicles. Railroad crossing ahead. Train tracks cross the road ahead. Intersection with priority to the right. Vehicles from the right have the right of way. Priority over oncoming vehicles. You have the right of way. Oncoming vehicles must yield. Soft verges. The sides of the road are soft and unsafe for vehicles. Two-way traffic ahead. Traffic moves in both directions. Traffic is likely ahead. Be prepared for traffic jams or slow-moving vehicles ahead. Snow ahead. Snow or icy conditions ahead. Drive carefully. Uneven road. The road is bumpy or not smooth. Divided highway. The road is split by a barrier or median. Narrow bridge. The bridge ahead is narrow. Drive carefully. Road narrows. The road becomes narrower ahead. Drive carefully. Quayside or riverbank. The road is near water. Be careful. No overtaking trucks. Do not pass large trucks. No trucks. Large crowds vehicles are not allowed. Winding road ahead. The road has many curves. Double bend. The road has two sharp curves. Tunnel ahead. A tunnel is coming up on the road. Side wind. Strong winds may affect driving. Traffic signals ahead. Be prepared for traffic lights ahead. Road work. Construction work on the road. No motor vehicles. No cars or motorcycles allowed. Bicycles only. Only bicycles can use this lane or road. Buses only. Only buses are allowed. Roundabout ahead. A circular intersection is coming up. Turn right. You must turn right at this point. Turn left. Turn left here. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and comment.